A logical condition combines the result of two conditions to produce a single result. A row is returned only if the overall result of the condition is true. Three logical operators are available in SQL: and, or, and the not. In the example, both conditions must be true for any record to be selected. Therefore, only employees who have a job title that contains the string man and earns $10,000 or more are selected. All character searches are case sensitive. No rows are returned if man is not uppercase. Character strings must be enclosed in quotation marks. In the example, either condition can be true for any record to be selected. Therefore, any employee who has a job ID containing man or earns $10,000 or more is selected. The slide example displays the last name and job ID of all employees whose job ID is not IT Prog, ST Clerk, or SA Rep. The NOT operator can also be used with other SQL operators such as between, like, and null. The rules of precedence determine the order in which expressions are evaluated and calculated. The table lists the default order of precedence. You can override the default order by using parentheses around the expressions you want to calculate first. In the slide example, there are two conditions. The first condition is that the job ID is odd press and the salary is greater than 15,000. The second condition is that the job ID is SA Rep. Therefore, the select statement reads as follows. Select the row if an employee is a president and earns more than $15,000, or if the employee is a sales representative. In the example, there are two conditions. The first condition is that the job ID is odd press or SA Rep. The second condition is that salary is greater than $15,000. Therefore, the select statement reads as follows. Select the row if an employee is a president or a sales representative and if the employee earns more than $15,000. Here are some examples of some logical operators. Say we wanted to find employees whose salary is not between a particular salary range. To take a look at the salary range, it's not between 2,000 and 4,000. Say, for example, we are to find department locations except Dallas. There are three possible solutions. You can use not location equal, or you can use the operator not equal. Another solution is you use the not in. Say we are interested for employees in Department 30 who earn between 1,000 and 2,000. So we have to make sure that the two conditions should be true. So we are using logical operator and. Take a look at department number and salary. It satisfies the condition. Then suppose we are to find employees who either work in the department with department 30 or who earn between 1,000 and 2,000. This time we're using the logical operator or, and take a look at the salary range. Does it satisfy? Yes, it does. So, posing you are to find all clerks in any department and all the salesmen in department 30 only. So, I'd like you to do that on your own, and you should be able to get 8 rows given the data set we are using. Find all the clerks in any department and all the salesmen in department 30 only.